What's up, everybody? Look who came to join me. So now that we have the outhouse, that was the bare minimum for this one to come with me up to the woods. So it is Thanksgiving weekend and sun's about to go down. We only got like another 30 minutes of daylight or so. Also, we have these two psychopaths with us. The third one is at my mom's house, but tent's all set up and we're gonna start a fire and get things going. So let's go. And now we get to do the greatest thing that there is to do up at camp, which is absolutely nothing. We just sit here by the fire and relax. Read a book, nap with the dogs, or just do nothing. But that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. All right, good morning. Well, we've had our coffee, fire's going. For some strange reason, every time we move to any position,
It's moving with us.
we get smoke in our eyes. Here I am in the smoke right now. No matter where I move, it doesn't matter. So anyways, I got work to do. We got a bunch of trees to cut down. I'm gonna try and cut down some of these trees right here. So, right, where's the truck? Truck is there, and our path goes up there, and then it's gonna cut across and then come in right about here-ish, give or take. So, got a lot of trees to cut down. I have a couple of video reviews to do. I have some solar walkway lights that are much needed. We have to fix some of the steps on the path. They've fallen over because I did not put them in correctly. That's on me. It's okay. And I have a little tilt swivel mount thing for the trail camera, which hopefully is going to solve problems. The issues with the trail camera is that if I put it up too high, it misses everything below it. And so then I moved it and I put it down lower, and then it misses everything on the upper part of the trail. The problem is the camera is it goes straight ahead. Whereas if I could put it up higher, but angle it, that would solve all my problems. And luckily someone sent me a swivel mount to do a review for. So I'll get that up and I'll get the solar lights up, try and help light the path up to the outhouse.
No.
So that you don't trip on your ass while you're trying to go to the bathroom late at night or early in the morning. And that's that. So lots of work to do. Let's hop to it. All right, we got these solar lights. So we're gonna try and light our path up a little bit. I've got some 2x4s I'm gonna cut into stakes so that I can stake a couple of these on the path, but most of them are gonna go, it's a pack of 8. I think I'm gonna put a couple on the deck so that you can see in front of the deck, and then I'll put one on the front of the outhouse, and I'll just figure out where the rest of them go. We'll see how they work later tonight. We'll get them up so they get some good light for the rest of the day. So, big thanks to Upperosey and this little Tree Dude. The Tree Dude 2 camera mount absolutely solves this little problem that I had with camera angle, and now it's fixed. So, great little product. I'll drop the link to the product off of Amazon. And obviously, yes, they sent me the product for free. And yes, I do make a whopping 50 cents or something if you use my link to Amazon. So greatly appreciated if you guys do that. Also, in all my other videos, I do have a link to this solar mount, which is not made by Upperosey. Just thought I'd mention that. This is a different company, but I will drop the link to that. It's kept the camera alive with no battery changes for over a year. So great little solar setup right there. And the Upperosey Tree Dude 2 camera mount solved my problem. And this does exactly what I needed to do. It's funny that I had this little issue and a company sent me this little mount and it solved all the problems. Look at that. Pretty simple. Great little product. Only cost a few dollars, and literally you could mount your camera up as high as you possibly can and it'll get you a much wider range of view. And this little thing does exactly what I needed to do. It missed the one that I wanted it to hit. Well, that was a hell of a lot of work, but all worth it. So you can just barely see, right, that pink string right there, and the other one is right there. And we have got the driveway very roughly marked off. So I'll kind of walk you through some of it, not all of it. Right, this is our logging road that goes all the way down through there. And you can see the truck down there. So we just come up the logging road this way. And then right here at this tree, we'll swing this corner. And you can see line on this side, line on this side. And oh, it's really hard to see, but you can see that line goes over towards the cabin. And what we're gonna do is right here, this isn't super flat, but it's not got a really bad slope to it. Right here, I'm gonna make another parking space right here. And then just up there a little bit, there's a big boulder right there. And then the stream comes down right here. And right over here will be the second tent deck. And I'm gonna get a really, really nice canvas wall tent that will stay up all year. And we'll be able to rent that out. So, right, we come here. The reason why we picked this, right, you wanna try and follow the slope, the lay of the land, and we're just about on level with the deck right now. So the cabin will go right there and the driveway will come this way. I have two trees, is that one and that one. And I measured it to make sure we've got enough space and the truck will be able to make it through there. So you can just barely make out, right, our pink line over here and our pink line over here, right? And they go through those two trees right there. Now that one, I don't know if I have to cut it down or not. I'm gonna have Klaus come up here and kind of give me his expert opinion on whether or not we have to cut down that one right there. So I had a fun time. I got one of the trees stuck. It fell against this big one over here and it was stuck. and then I cut down the next one, and then the third one that I cut down over here was pretty big, and it actually fell and hit both of those trees, and they both came down. So it all worked out in the end. Well, that is a ton of work for today, and we are done. I am tired. My knees hurt from walking on that sloped ground over by there. When you walk on that slope, it's like got an angle like that. It starts to mess with your ankles and your knees a little bit. So that's it for today. I'm gonna get cleaned up and have a sandwich. The crazy part is that it's only 4:30 and the sun's starting to go down. So we wanted to walk the dogs up to the top, but I think we'll just do it tomorrow. I think we're done for today. The walk up to the top is not easy. So we're gonna leave that for tomorrow because I haven't shot any video up there in a long time. And it's nice to go up there in the fall because all the leaves are off the trees and the view you can see for just miles. I can see all the way up to Roan Mountain in Tennessee. So it's really nice. But for now, time to get cleaned up, have a ham sandwich, relax for a while. Look at that. Our lights work. Well, motion activated light. Got one on the front of the outhouse. There's one right here. If I can get Penny to walk in front of it. Penny, come on. Look at that. Look at that. The lights work. Oh my God. Spectacular. Their food. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, baby.
Oh no.
I know.
Yeah.
Last night for dinner was very easy. We took tinfoil and watered up all of our leftovers from Thanksgiving, and we just warmed those up in the Dutch oven. So we literally had Thanksgiving dinner all over again for the second night. So tonight, this is actually for the dogs. So we'll put this on the dog's food. We just got some bacon and some hash brown. And then I'll just throw an egg in here. And this is going to be for the dogs. This is for us. So what I did is we just took the leftover turkey from Thanksgiving and chopped it up. And we've got some chicken broth. And we just season that up. And then we've got some tortellini. So we'll throw the tortellini in there after that heats up a bit more. And we'll have nice tortellini turkey soup from Thanksgiving. Super simple, super easy, tasty, warm. Yeah. All right. We are out of here. What's wrong with your hair?
I don't know, it's poofy.
Okay. Well, You survived your first weekend up at camp.
Mm-hmm.
Was it terrible?
It's terrible.
Awful. It was pretty damn cold up here, though. I think. What did it go down to?
Last I checked was 37.
37. 37. Been worse. Been up here in 29, 28 and snow. So we'll be back on New Year's. So we won't have, probably only be able to upload like 2 videos from this trip. And then we'll be back up on New Year's. And we'll have the wood stove, which will be really nice because then we won't freeze. So until then, peace. See you guys. Thanks for watching.